Difference between community and association. Association is voluntarily constituted. Association is made for specific interest. Association has its own property, etc. Association has a legal status. Association is comparatively more unstable. Membership of an association is voluntary. An individual takes part in an association because of particular interests. Community comes into existence of itself. Community is formed for common interest. Community does not have property of its own. Community has no legal status. Community is comparatively more stable. Membership of a community is compulsory. Man is born in a community and he also dies.
Difference between institution and community. Institution is a group of laws and procedures. Institution is abstract. Institution is formed for the fulfillment of certain needs, fulfills primary needs. Indicative of procedures, a particular type of behavior dependent upon collective activity. One institution is related to one particular sphere to life. Community is a group of human beings. Community is concrete. Community is a group of people living in a definite locality sharing a common life. Indication of organization. There is no such definite aim. It is related to the community life in its entirety. No particular type of behavior dependent upon mutual relations.
Difference between institution and community. Institution, indicative of procedure, abstract, a particular type of behavior, fulfills primary needs. One institution is related to one particular sphere to life, dependent upon a collective activity. Community, indicative of organization, concrete, no particular type of behavior. There is no such definite aim. It is related to the community life in its entirety, dependent upon a mutual relations. Difference between institution and association. Institution, formless and abstract, evolved, permanent, procedure of working, a symbol not a name, has a definite structure dependent upon a human activities. Association, concrete, constituted, comparatively impermanent, organized group, definite name, has no specific structure based upon a mutual cooperation.